Hey guys!
I'm Ambrose.
And I'm Shannon, and today we'll be making
slime.
So all you'll need is school glue and
some laundry detergent.
And what you'll need is a bowl and a spoon and a 1 tablespoon spoon for the laundry detergent. So let's get started. Ambrose, do you want to open the glue? And all we'll need to do is pour it in, the whole thing. Oh yeah.
Ew, there's huge bubbles. Oh my goodness.
Keep going, keep going.
Hey
And
guys, that's pretty much all there is.
well, there's a little bit more.
Well,
We're just trying to like get it all out, you know? Okay. Let me throw this away. Okay, next thing you will need is laundry detergent. I'll do this part. So
should we like pour it in there and then?
yeah,
like,
we're gonna pour it
dip
in the cup,
and then just go like that.
or we can just do it right here.
Let's do it this way.
Okay, so we're gonna use laundry detergent right here, and we're gonna scoop this out. And hold on, Ambrose. We have to move this. Thank you, Dad. So we're gonna use 3 of these, and we are going to start mixing. Okay, so 2, 3. Okay, and now we're gonna use a spoon to mix. Ambrose, you can mix. It's already forming into a slime. Just get really good in there. And we're just gonna keep mixing until we feel like it's all combined.
And then we have to put it in the fridge for 30 minutes.
Yeah.
And we'll come back.
Taste a little bit. Thank you. Look, it's already
Sort of.
slime, which is good. So you just have to keep mixing this up, and then we will be good. It is sort of slime. Already, Ambrose, don't you feel it? Here, feel it. It's so cool, huh? Okay. So now we just need to. It's a good consistency right now. So all we need to do is put it in the fridge for about 30 minutes, and we'll just add a teeny bit more so it can all stick together. And swirl it up. And then once we come back after, she'll be like sticky, which is good. Oh yeah. Okay. And so we will come back in 30 minutes together, and here's our final results. It's like still sticky. It's like all slime. You can see how it's contracting, pulling away because it all mixed together, and it's all ready to go. Do you want to play with it?
Yeah, it's definitely slime.
You can add.
Because if it wasn't glue, because if it was glue, then it would just be a liquidy mess.